So this is the sixth edition of the Milken Institute's Future of Health Summit. And this year, more than 1,200 people are gathered here at the Salamander Hotel to discuss ways to collaborate. As you can see behind me, people are networking and talking about new ways to address some of the biggest global health challenges. But most importantly, finding new solutions. On the agenda, they talk about health equity. So the goal for this year, the theme is closing the gap, bringing health to everyone. And what some of the attendees are discussing is how they can use innovations to find ways to tackle issues like pandemic or even neglected tropical diseases, public health issues such as maternal mortality. So it is an important event that happens every year. And this year, COVID-19 was also on the agenda because it was an eye-opener for policymakers, medical experts, and stakeholders to see what can be done to improve access to health for everyone around the world.
They know some of the issues being discussed there, as you mentioned, are global health concerns, but there are some specifics for the African continent, diseases that emerge in the continent. As a health reporter, what are you going to take away from this that is of benefit to your audience?
You know, one of the things that was talked about during this summit is the next pandemic. And experts are saying that the next pandemic may come from AMR, which are antimicrobial resistance, drug resistance diseases. So this is something that is very important. They are really working to prevent this from happening because after coming out of COVID-19, no one wants to see another pandemic. So yes, it's an important time to find out what scientists are working on, what are some of the health issues that are very critical, and how people can have access to the health they need, the healthcare they need. We saw during the pandemic that some people could not even have access to vaccine. Africa was an example. So this is an opportunity, a platform to discuss those issues and find solutions.
So who is attending? Of course, there are experts there, they're health experts. Are there some, just regular folks like me who don't understand a lot of things?
Of course, regular folks like you, like me, we have health experts. We have also politicians. We have U.S. Senator Roger Marshall, who spoke earlier today, and we have people coming from around the world. And one of the things that is worth mentioning is that the Milken Institute has announced the five selected for the prize, the Motsepe Milken Prize, that is worth $1 million. The finalists will be announced in May.